Soon has exploded. And if you missed it, you better open your eyes and ears because I'm going to teach you why. We took this in the membership, we traded it very successfully, making almost a quadruple, in 2 hours, and how you can make sure that you don't miss this in the future. Okay. And of course, I'm going to show proof and everything for you guys to have everything right in front of you to show I'm the real thing, and also why it is very important to like and subscribe to this channel. Okay. So, right out of the bat, the first thing I want to be doing, okay, is sharing what exactly happened in the membership, because we traded this in the membership, so I need to show some proof. This is the soon trade over here. As you can see, it's from November 5th, and you can see that I gave you some entries. First entry over here with a stop loss, add on also, and of course I had a chart like I always give a chart with entries. The first entry here, and the which was the 7966, and then the second entry, the add-on, right, the 10951. Okay, so this happened in the membership. Okay, Dojo More Trading, this is Trading Feed, Crypto Mindset VIP service. Okay, if you're thinking about joining, very easy to join. Just scan the QR code and come and join us. Very easy, Japanese. I'm going to share a coupon code in just a second. Okay, so that's the proof. I want to show you that the proof is here, that this was happening in the membership. So if you were a member, then you definitely could have take advantage of this. Now this is the soon chart. Look at it. I'm going to change this now from a regular chart into a log chart because it's going to be that much easier for me to show exactly what happened. So first of all, this is the outcome. Okay, the outcome is explosion. From the first entry, we had a 280% max. That's a quadruple, not even triple. Okay, because 100% is a double, 200% is a triple, 280% is a quadruple. Okay, and we had almost a quadruple, a triple on the second entry. Ferocious, okay, ferocious trade. Okay, so this is the outcome. The outcome, you saw the proof of the membership. Now we see the proof of the outcome, and now I'm going to share with you what exactly was so enticing about this trade that I just couldn't let it go like so many other people. Okay, so first of all, we were looking and trading soon already from this area over here. All this move up, why do I do why all this move up here? We traded this here also. Okay, why? Because we saw that soon is a new coin on Binance. Okay, and Binance, since BNB moved from September, so Binance had amazing gains and ROIs on their new type of coins. For some reason, it's a narrative. I don't choose where the money flows, where the smart money, quote unquote, goes. I don't, right? I just try to flow with it. Okay. So I saw the strength on this way from here. Okay, even from here, I was like, oh my god, look at this, man! It's 330% from the lows, whatever. Then it made a VCP. Then we traded successfully here. So after this trade successfully, I was I was looking at this continuously, okay, and to see if it's setting up, and it did set up a range. This here, ladies and gentlemen, was a trading range, a very shallow trading range. If I measure this, okay, from top to bottom, this is only a 15-16% trading range. So I knew that if we break above it, I want to engage with it. Now, the reason I pyramid is I try to get an early entry and then a second entry, because then it allows me to have big chunk of my account into a trade that, if works really good, because I got in, as you know, first here, all right, the 79-ish area, and then the second entry was the 109, right? I showed this in the proof. You can go back and check it. And this is called, progressive exposure or pyramiding on the way up, versus what people usually do, they pyramid on the way down, which is the worst mistake you can do. Anyways, this was a very successful trade. Up move, sideways, shallow trading range, getting in precision, adding precision, taking profits, and bam, you're done. Okay. If you're out of this trade, you didn't take it, do not buy it now for some reason. Okay. Yes, it can continue, but even I'm out of the trade by now. I took the gains. I'm a happy camper. That is it for me. I'm happy enough. Okay. Happy enough. What you need to do, if you miss this, is make sure you don't miss any of these trades and setups in the future. Okay, if something, because this is repeatable, this is something that can happen again and again over time, and you just don't want to miss it. So what you need to do, okay, is scan the QR code, join the VIP. Okay, also what I want you to do is I want you to um share, go on the X, no edge, no trade, like me over there, okay? And if you want a lifetime membership, send an email, jomosuperperformer@gmail.com. And also, I'm going to give you a coupon code of 20%, okay? And you'll be able to use any membership, get a 20% off, live 20 today. That's the coupon code. Go check it out. At the checkout, just use it. 20% off from the memberships. And you don't miss these again. And again, this was not the first trade that happened like this in the last few months. This is actually the second trade on Zoom. We have a beautiful trade. We had jelly happening multiple times, age happening multiple times. And I've shown all these trades over and over again. So I'm tired of showing this again and again. Okay. You've seen the soon trade. That's enough. See you in the next one. Cheers. No edge, no trade.